This bowl just flew off the lathe on me. It split right down the middle. Pieces went flying. I must have had a crack in here. It was going 700 revolutions per minute. It didn't touch me, and it's a good thing because I had one piece fly, I don't know, a good 5 feet over onto it landed here on my bench. I had the video camera going, so let's see if we can get a slow-mo. That really sucks. This was going to be a good bowl. This is 16 inches across. At 700 RPM. Somebody want to do the math on that? I got a big thing of oak here on my Nova, what is this, 1644 lathe? And I want to show that you can indeed get 16 inches on this lathe. That's right on, just below the line. And it clears all the way around. This blank is, can't do that math, 3 3/4 thick. This is going to be my bottom. Let's turn this bad boy. I got the lathe at 700 right now. I think I'm going to leave it there. Actually, I'm going to turn it down. That's 500. We're a little off center. Or out of balance, I guess. We'll clean that up quick with the carbide chisel. I got it screwed on with a 6-inch faceplate, so this shouldn't go anywhere. I'm going to bring my tailstock up just to be safe. The tailstock on this lathe reaches really far, like 3 3/4 inches or 4 inches or something. It's nice. Okay. Now I got it at, looks like 200. We're going to raise this. $500 was way too fast. That's 225. Let's see how fast we can go. Alright, that's 300. I'm going to stop there. You can see in this clip that as I turn the lathe off, which is what sparked the whole incident, one piece goes under my arm, the other one hits the wall and goes over my arm, and that piece landed about 5 feet away on my bench. I can't believe this thing didn't hit me. I got so lucky here. That was really scary. And I don't think I can save the bowl. I'm gonna go change my pants.